All right, so you just brought home your brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper from delivery, and you're looking around the cabin and you're thinking to yourself, what is the one item that I would want to replace almost immediately because it's just terrible? We'll find out what that one item is and if there's something better on the market together today. All right, I have a feeling that 99% of you are going to want to replace this one item on day one, and that item is these flimsy, crappy, awful carpeted floor mats that come with the Tesla Model Y Juniper Premium and above. I don't know if the bottom model gets these or not, but they're terrible. And this dead pedal part of the mat for the driver's side, it just flops over and doesn't stay into place, and they're super thin and don't seem like they would do much and collect dust and dirt. So what's a better alternative? We're gonna find out. This is a good one, and I'm pretty excited to share this with you. So as you might know, as a Tesla YouTuber, I do receive a fair amount of review products to take a look at and share with you. And one of the categories is, of course, floor mats, and I've gotten some of the best on the market, and they are amazing. They do the job well, but they've kind of been stagnant, kind of stale, no new designs or functionality or anything like that. And then I noticed on social media that this particular brand is getting really good reviews. And it just so happened, at the same time I'm noticing this, they reached out to me and said, hey, can we send you some mats to review? And I'm like, yeah, that's a no-brainer. I want something different, something unique, something special, and not just do another floor mat video for a Tesla. In comes 3W and their floor mats. And the first thing that I notice when I receive these is the quality is next level. It is absolutely amazing. And they do floor mats for all kinds of cars, not just Teslas. And what makes that interesting to note is that this one is for a Tesla Model Y. And you know how I could tell? There's a Y built into the design with a bunch of little Ys. Do you see that? So they put some thought into this. And to answer your very first question, because you know if you bought cheap mats on Amazon, they smell. These do not. These right out of the box have no smell, which tells me they used quality materials to make these things. I've been using these mats for a couple of weeks now. You can tell there's a little bit of dirt and dust on them. And I can tell you they really look different, unique, sharp, modern. All those words apply. And I've got them throughout the car. The front, driver's side, passenger side, back seat, trunk, the entire liner there, sub trunk. Get the full set. It's definitely worth it. I've got coupon codes down in the description as well as at the bottom of this video. But yeah, the quality is really amazing. And if you take a look at the driver's side, it's even got the silver dead pedal, kind of has that performance level feel to it. They look amazing. And another feature of these floor mats is you get two floor mats or two types of floor mats in one product. Let me show you. So let's say in the summer you want carpet. These snap into place right here. There's two snaps at the bottom right here, and right here. And so you've got carpeted if you want it. Then in the winter, you take these off when you've got all that snow and salt and mud and gook and stuff, and you've got a fully rubberized floor mat ready to punish the heck out of it. And it's got this bowl design, so it keeps everything in place. And on the front two seats, it's got this little tray that goes underneath the seat that not only holds things in place, but keeps all the dirt and stuff out of the underneath the seat as well. Put it in the front because that seems to be the easiest one. I've gone ahead and opened the front, and we'll pop this open. I don't actually currently have one because I never found one that was suitable. So let's see how this one does and how it fits. Pop this into place, and it fits absolutely perfect. Take a look at that edge. A lot of front mats seem to kind of fold right here and look all funky. This one is perfect, and it even has the proper hole for the drain plug. Very nice. So far, very impressive. And take a look at the driver's side. This is really, really nice. I love the dead pedal design. And so this is with the carpet. I'll go ahead and take the carpet off and show you that as well. And I still like that tray underneath. that will stop things from sliding all around if you want to put like a hat or whatever underneath there. Very cool. And take a look at the rear floor mats. I just put these in. Still has the carpet on them. Again, there are 4 tabs along the back that you can remove the carpet if you would like, which I think I'm going to do. And here's what the rears look like without the carpeting. Again, same unique styling with the Y throughout. And these are very, very heavy duty. Definitely going to keep winter, mud, snow, rocks, all that stuff, and protect your vehicle. Taking a look at the fit and finish here, they are cut absolutely perfectly. They fit the Model Y Juniper to the letter. And if you're worried about the back seat a little bit, that is folded up for shipping. After a few days, it kind of settles into place and molds itself, and it looks really, really good back there as well. It's got all kinds of different stuff. It's got the floor liner for the floor, it's got the sub trunk, and it also has attachments for the back seats that you have to cut into place and put those in there. If you do the heavy lifting, let's say Home Depot runs, or you're really, really using the back trunk a lot for heavy stuff, carpentry, contracting, that sort of thing. So the full set comes complete with all that stuff and looks amazing, is laser cut, none of those weird folds on the edges and stuff like that. Definitely recommend these. Putting them into place could not be easier. I like to do the fold method. You fold them in the middle and you kind of be careful of the seats. Put the under part in first and kind of just pop them into place. Pretty amazing. As far as taking the carpet out, that's super simple. You lift from the front and you just pop off the clips like so, right there. By the same token, you just snap them into place when you do want to use them. So we've set this aside. In terms of cleaning, I mean, you just use your Fantic vacuum. Get them all nice and vacuumed. Like that. And I like to use Simple Green on a microfiber and just totally wet and just wipe them down. If they are super dirty, like winter, snow, mud, rocks, salt, all that kind of stuff, pull them out of the car, hose them down, let them dry in the sun, pop them back into place. It's that easy. All right, so to recap, Tesla mats, bad, flimsy, cheap, awful. But these 3W mats are next level premium, different than anything else out there, very unique design, specific to the Tesla Model Y Juniper with the Y design. Very, very cool. And don't forget the best part of the whole thing, you get 2 for the price of 1. If you like carpet, use that. If you want to take it off for the dirtier winter season, you can also do that as well. So 2 for the price of 1 with these 3W mats. Don't forget to get the coupon code down in the description as well as at the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.